Okay.
Right. So Jake, 1 gun, 3 bullets, and a whole load of cans.
Come on.
How many was that? I can't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7
7
kills, 1 shot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left.
Go. Oh, you missed.
How can I hit that? It's impossible.
You didn't hit it, that's the thing.
It's massive.
So how many did you knock down? There was 4 left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
12 shots.
12 down. 12 down, 1 shot. Pretty good. There's nothing in your tank.
Oh no,
That counts as 1 shot. That's a shot. Okay, maybe it doesn't.
no!
Oh.
I'm an idiot!
That hit me, thank you very much. The recorder. Okay.
Right, I've got a knockdown.
There's 9 left.
I've got a knockdown 3.
In 1 shot. No!
No, just leave it. We won't count those cans.
No, but then I'll lose points. There's 18 cans there.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Well, you already got those 3.
Oh.
Just reload it. Ooh.
You've got 2 more bullets. Tricks up. You've run out of bullets. I have.
So how many? Yeah. I am.
You are fail.
Jake, you just first, right?
You didn't do it.
Right, okay, from now on, yeah, we'll just line up 6 cans.
This is a very good camera. Yeah, but we already have 5 bullets.
Right, 5 cans.
5 cans. Why? That's 4.
Yeah, but all that won't blow over. Jake, no.
Oh yeah, I know.
I'm gonna play Russian roulette with that.
Russian roulette. Let me. What?
My go.
It's not my go.
It's my go. I haven't had 1 go.
Yeah, fine. I'll do 1 more go.
Yeah, but then it's my go.
No, it's my go.
This is Connor. Oh, what?
And he's hit a bottom can.
And he hit a bottom can and it didn't work. That was a fail that was a fail bullet. That's